7 cheap tech gadgets that replace expensive equipment. Hook, stop overpaying for tech. You're probably overpaying for at least 3 things in your setup right now. That $300 microphone? There's a $40 alternative that sounds 90% as good. That $200 monitor light? $25 gets you the same thing. I'm about to save you over $1,000 with 7 budget gadgets that punch way above their price tag. Here's what most tech reviewers won't tell you. The difference between a $50 gadget and a $300 gadget is usually about 10 to 15% in quality. You're paying a massive premium for that last little bit of polish, a brand name, or features you'll never use. Today I'm showing you the budget alternatives that get you 85 to 95% of the way there. Let's go. Number 1, USB condenser mic $38, replaces $250 plus podcast mics. This USB condenser microphone has a built-in shock mount, a mute button, a gain knob, and a headphone monitoring jack. Plug it into USB, select it in your settings, done. No audio interface needed, no XLR cables, no phantom power. I did a blind test with 5 people. I played them audio from this mic and a $250 industry standard. 4 out of 5 couldn't tell the difference. The 5th one guessed wrong. For podcasting, YouTube, Zoom calls, and streaming, this mic delivers professional-grade audio. The only area it falls short is in extremely noisy environments where the premium mixed tighter pickup pattern helps. But if you're recording in a normal room, save yourself $200. Number 2, monitor light bar, $24.99, replaces $100 plus desk lamps. Bank popularized the monitor light bar at $100. This one does the same thing for a quarter of the price. It clips to the top of your monitor, shines down on your desk without creating screen glare, and has adjustable color temperature from warm to cool. It's USB powered, so it runs off your monitor's USB port. Touch controls on top for brightness and temperature. No app needed, no smart features, just good, functional desk lighting. I've had both. The expensive one has slightly more even light distribution at the edges. That's literally the only difference I could find. For $25, this is the most obvious recommendation on the list. Number 3, portable SSD 1TB, $49.99, replaces $150 plus external drives. External hard drives are dead. This portable SSD is the size of a credit card, weighs almost nothing, and reads at 1050 megabytes per second. That's about 10 times faster than a traditional external hard drive. Transfer a 10 gigabytes video file in under 10 seconds. Back up your entire photo library during a coffee break. And because it's solid state with no moving parts, it can survive drops that would destroy a traditional drive. A name brand 1TB portable SSD runs $120 to $150. This one performs within 5% of Samsung's T9 in every benchmark I ran. For $50. The brand premium on storage is one of the biggest markups in all of tech. Number 4, clip-on macro lens for phone, $15.99, replaces $500 plus macro cameras. Want to take those insane close-up photos of insects, flowers, and textures? You don't need a dedicated macro camera or a DSLR with a macro lens. This $15 clip-on lens attaches to any phone and gives you 15x magnification. The image quality is genuinely impressive. Sharp center, mild softness at the very edges, and the depth of field creates that professional background blur naturally. I've posted photos taken with this lens and had people ask what camera I use. Is it as good as a real macro lens on a full-frame camera? No. Is it 90% as good for social media, content creation, and casual photography? Absolutely. The price difference is absurd. Number 5, USB-C docking station, $35.99, replaces $150 plus Thunderbolt docks. Thunderbolt docks cost $150 to $300. This USB-C docking station costs $36 and handles dual monitor output, 3 USB-A ports, Ethernet, SD card reader, and 100W pass-through charging. One cable from your laptop to the dock and your entire workstation connects. The one limitation, it uses DisplayLink for the second monitor, which means there's a driver to install and you might notice slight lag on that second screen during fast video playback. For coding, browsing, documents, and video calls, it's imperceptible. If you're doing professional video editing across dual monitors, spring for the Thunderbolt dock. For literally everything else, this saves you over $100. Number 6, Bluetooth Mechanical Number Pad, $22.99, replaces $80 plus full keyboards. If you love your compact 65% or 75% keyboard but miss having a number pad for spreadsheets and data entry, this is the move. Instead of buying a full-size mechanical keyboard for $80 to $150, add this Bluetooth mechanical number pad for $23. It has genuine mechanical switches, programmable keys, and connects via Bluetooth or USB-C. The switches feel and sound identical to premium mechanical keyboards. You get to keep your compact keyboard for daily use and pull out the number pad only when you need it. Best of both worlds for a fraction of the price. Number 7, Portable Monitor 15.6-inch, $89.99, replaces $300 plus second monitors. A traditional second monitor runs $200 to $400 for anything decent. This 15.6-inch portable monitor is $90, connects via a single USB-C cable, and delivers 1080p IPS visuals that are perfectly sharp. It weighs about 2 pounds and is thinner than most tablets. I travel with this and set up a dual monitor workstation at any hotel or coffee shop in under 30 seconds. It also works as a second screen at home if you don't need anything larger than 15 inches. Color accuracy is about 95% sRGB, which is fine for everything except professional photo editing and color grading. For coding, writing, spreadsheets, and general productivity, it's a game changer at this price. The savings. Let's tally up what you'd save by going budget on all 7. Category: Premium E-Budget Savings. Microphone, $250, $38, $212. Desk light, $100, $25, $75. External storage, $150, $50, $100. Macro photography, $500, $16, $484. Docking station, $200, $36, $164. Number pad versus full keyboard, $100, $23, $77. Second monitor, $300, $90, $210. Total, $1,600, $278, $1,322. Over $1,300 saved. And in daily use, you'd barely notice the difference on any of these. Final thoughts. The tech industry wants you to believe that cheap means bad. Sometimes it does. But for these 7 categories, the budget options have gotten so good that the premium versions are genuinely hard to justify unless you're a professional with very specific needs. All the gadgets are linked in the description. Subscribe if you want more money-saving tech content, and drop a comment if you found a budget gadget that replaced something expensive in your setup. I'm always looking for new finds. See you in the next one.